Hello, everyone, and welcome. So, we are going to discuss a very hot topic of being successful. We all strive and work hard every day to achieve success, and we all want to be successful. And what is this success? So, this video is just a token of love and help to everyone achieve and be successful in their lives. And I will be so happy to know that you are successful in your own area. And God bless you. And why do I do this? Because I want to see the world a happier place. It's a very beautiful place to live in, but it needs to be happy. And everybody happy around you makes you happy. And when everybody is happy, you are happy. So I am doing this for us. So let's start. What does success means actually? What is it? It is actually very simple, but we usually see success as a certified award or a certificate or a validation from an organization, or it can be any object where you are awarded in a function. But actually, success is very simple. Success itself says it's a sense of satisfaction. Simple. Success is a sense of satisfaction. Now, this sense of satisfaction depends upon whether it is a small sense of satisfaction, a big sense of satisfaction, or temporary one, that is, or forever. Now let's go closely, a little bit deeper into it. So let's see what are the types of satisfaction. It can be a smaller sense of satisfaction. It's just like you are successful in lockdown, going out and eating pani puri, the favorite place where you usually eat. Just a small success that you have achieved. A temporary success would be if you have bought a new mobile phone for yourself, which you aspired for months. You wanted a particular phone and you got it. That is a temporary success. And if you go to see another type of success, which is an everlasting success, that is, or a forever one, it would be a long term investment. It would require a long term investment for that success. Example, like you being a successful parent, where you see your children ethically living a life happily, helping others, living a good happy life for themselves, and then taking care of you as well. Or forever success would be where you have helped or brought in a humongous change in the history of mankind, where you have invented something, and it has been forever. Or it can be a very higher level of forever success, that is you connecting to God and achieving something spiritually, where probably that forever success is only between you and the Almighty, where the world does not see that you have attained some spiritual level, peace, love, happiness, which is beyond explanation. So there are different types of success, and we have to clarify ourselves which type of success am I looking for. Am I looking for a small sense of satisfaction or a small success? Am I looking for a temporary success where I buy things or do things for a temporary period of time? Or am I looking for a success which would be forever? That choice is ours. And this choice is given to us daily. It's given to us every day. And we are so lucky. We are so lucky that God has given the best things to us in free, and which we hardly realize is the gift of freedom that He has given us to choose our sense of satisfactions wisely, ethically. And of course, we all know whatever good things we do might yield, most of the time might yield good results. And we all know whatever deeds that are not aligning with the law of the Lord will ultimately lead to results which are not pleasing, or the consequences we might have, which might lead us to suffering, pain. So it is upon us. What are we taking? What are we taking? What is the choice? What are we choosing for our own success? Is it a small success? Is it a temporary success? Or is it a forever success? And of course, we cannot separate success with the level of satisfaction and the result. Now we all know that success comes out of failure, undoubtedly. Many a times you fail, and then the failure. Now, greater the pain, greater is the gain. So, the more pain you suffer, ultimately the result might turn, if it is aligning with the law of the Lord, then only there will be a greater success. So example, you can't say that I have suffered a lot after I have looted a bank, I have suffered a lot, and you want my success to be a definition of, like, when I come out of this jail I will be happy. No, ultimately the result will be I will not be happy, even in spite of getting out, probably by doing something, and you come out, but ultimately it will lead to something that where you will not be happy. So this is how it is. Now, this three types of success. Now, small term success, we, as I discussed, can be many a times be from a point of view. Now, who are we satisfying? Now, every time we are successful, we are satisfying either ourselves or others or the whole mankind. So, the point of view of success from our point of view. So, let me just explain you the other way. I can be successful. I might be pursued by others as successful if I have a luxurious car. But for me, it is not. Probably it is not. The reason is probably I have taken a lot of loan and it's pressurizing me a lot, where I am not giving time to my family, my children, and but I am somewhere satisfied कि चलो everybody is saying this logo को अच्छा दिख रहा है and I am successful. People might think I am successful, but actually I am not, where I am losing out my family time or my personal space with lot of pressure in me, which is not a successful. So choosing your right success, are you choosing your success to satisfy others, or are you choosing your success to satisfy yourself? One example I would give you is most of the mothers, especially most of the mothers, give up their career just to make sure that their children are taken care of. Now, this might be a success for the lady who has sacrificed her career for taking care of her children and bringing up them well. Whereas for others it might be like, oh my God, she has studied so much. Why is she not working? Why is she not earning more money and being a benefit to the family? So there will be a clash like this. For her, it is her success. She is successful in her eyes where she is taking care of her children. For others, she is not successful because she is just sitting at home and taking care of her children. And success where you see that you are pleasing God. You are pleasing God in the sense you are serving and helping out others, going out of your way and helping them out. So there is no, many a times there might be no validation from others, or in times there can be a danger where people might spoil your name or trouble you, your family. But the validation goes to the Almighty, where the Almighty is happy seeing you working for mankind and working for humanity and making things good for the people around. So then you are successful in the eyes of the Almighty. So choose your success very carefully. Whom do you want to satisfy? Is it you want to satisfy people and you are doing things so that people around you say good, or doing things what you feel yes are correct, ethically correct, and they really make you happy, or doing things that are right for everyone or humanity. Of course, being successful and in the eyes of others, and it we all like to be praised and appreciated by others, but we should always be clear about what are we compromising for that. So, in other words, for making money, if I am compromising my ethical values of cheating others, and then I'm making a lot of money, so ultimately the money which I make cheating others will have results that will yield that whatever money I earn from cheating people will ultimately go in some other wrong cause, probably in a hospital where I have to pay huge bills and I might fall sick. So choosing your audience for satisfaction or yourself is the decision that you make. So I want you to be successful, and I pray that each one may be successful in their life, and we all are, because the very fact that we are born is a truth that we are successful to be born. From a mother's womb we have conceived successfully. Out of so many chances, we are the one who are born out. Itself is the first success that we have achieved in our life, and the very successful thing is we are all alive in spite of all the odds we all have fighted. So we all are successful, but let's go ahead and choose the correct thing for ourselves and all the people around us. Being successful is a bliss, but make sure you do not compromise on what really makes you happy. Stay blessed and stay tuned. Lots of love. Thank you.